Which is the longest river in the world? Nile River. Which is the tallest animal in the world? Giraffe. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. Which is the smallest ocean in the world? Arctic Ocean. Which is the largest country in the world by area? Russia. Which is the largest country in the world by population? China. Which is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City. Which is the largest wall in the world? The Great Wall of China. Which country has the highest number of time zones? France. Which is the tallest statue in the world? Statue of Unity. Which is the longest railway platform in the world? Gorakhpur Railway Platform. When was the social media site Facebook first founded? In 2004. Which is the largest continent in the world? Asia. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Australia. In which year Google was founded? In 1998. Which is the longest continental mountain range in the world? Andes. Which country is the largest producer of tea in the world? China. Which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? Brazil. Which is the largest tropical rainforest in the world? Amazon. Which is the biggest island in the world? Greenland. Which continent has the highest number of countries? Africa. Which country is known as the playground of Europe? Switzerland. Which country is known as the battleground of Europe? Belgium. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? Japan. Which continent doesn't have a desert? Europe. Which country is known as the land of midnight sun? Norway. Which country is known as the land of thunderbolts? Bhutan. Which country is known as the land of thousand lakes? Finland. Which country is known as the land of tulips? Netherlands. Which country is known as the land of music? Austria. Which country first prints paper currency? China. Which country first introduced bullet trains? Japan. Which country first introduced the concept of bat? France. Which country is known as the Rainbow Nation? South Africa. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? Africa. Which continent is known as the White Continent? Antarctica. What is the name of international boundary line between India and Pakistan? Radcliffe Line. What is the name of international boundary line between India and China? McMahon Line. What is the name of international boundary line between Pakistan and Afghanistan? Durand Line. Which is the largest bird in the world? Ostrich. Which is the smallest bird in the world? Hummingbird. Which is the highest mountain peak in the world? Mount Everest. Which country doesn't have a capital? Nauru. Which mountain is known as the roof of the world? Pamir. In which country white elephant is found? In Thailand. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to USA in 1886? France. Dead Sea is between which two countries? Between Jordan and Israel. In which ocean Bermuda Triangle region is located? In Atlantic Ocean. Which is the first country to win Football World Cup? Uruguay. Which is the first country to win Cricket World Cup? West Indies.